Se è accesa ancora, non sei concentrato perché tu...
Birra.
Lui attento alla macchina. Aspetta.
We're going down a one-way street the wrong way. What? Oh, this is where we came last time, and ci sono quelli gradini da sotto, ma non c'era tanto dove siamo andati.
Lì non ho mai visto Feltre.
Hope nobody opens their door and steps out, sitting ducks. I love those terracotta tiles and that, looks so nice. Ma sei matto? Oops. Better get off the road, eh? This is the Lago de Arzi, and Georgia's going there to knock off a few more little plums, which would be really nice because we're all out of food, we're out of water, but we're not very far from the end of the ride. I think we've done 108 k's so far. Everyone's so tanned. Jeez. Just a bit further. %. Ooh. Ah. Oh, yeah.
A destra ci fermiamo.
Wait till you see what you're going to see, Kud. It'll blow your mind. Nice little painting here. Ah, here's the bridge. Kud, you go first. Hello. Here's the bridge again. What a noise! And that's where we took our photos, Alan. Oh, not this again. Very rocky though. Nah, fuck this. Sorry. Cool, if you think you can do it.
You're in the way.
Sorry. Oh, my shoes. Oh. Sorry, shoes. Okay, here he is. He's going to try it. But unreal, unreal, unreal. He did it. He did. Bit of a skid there. Hey, look at that. See the fishing. Huh? Yeah, yeah. That's the bridge that we passed. Okay. Si vede, si vede. Sì? No. Georgia, see, vado a piedi. I'm going to go down that little section again. Oops. Oh. Lui è più esperto a fare queste cose. I'm going to get off and be done with. Excellent. God help my cleats. Here I come. Thank you. Grazie. Letting know. Change, you stupid thing. Spegni. Oh, down there. Didn't see this last time. Yeah? Ah, that's a spillway. And there's the dam. There's a little stream there. And on this side, you got the other thing. All right. Well, I'm hoping I got battery life. Only time will tell. Giorgio, qui non si va avanti.
Sì, ma dobbiamo fare altri 3 chilometri di vita. Non sei un buon camera.
Grazie.
Vabbè,
Spegno. Switching off. That waterfall, that's beautiful. I wonder if you